Всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I'm Alla, the host of the show, and today I've got something extremely special for you. It's chocolate and passion fruit pots. They are so yummy. I love passion fruit. It's one of my favorite fruits ever, and I love chocolate, of course, and combination between these two is like explosion in your mouth. You've got the savory and exotic, and you've got the creamy chocolate. I really hope you enjoy this video, and now let's get baking. And now let's get cooking. Over here I've got my coconut cream, cocoa butter and dark chopped chocolate, and we're gonna basically get ready. First thing, you're gonna add your coconut cream into a jug. You need to use the coconut cream, not milk. Then you're gonna add your sweetener. Then go ahead and add your cocoa powder and your melted dark chocolate. Make sure to melt your chocolate and cocoa butter separately because they have different temperatures of melting. Add your melted dark chocolate all the way inside, and then go ahead and add your cocoa butter. Add that in, and then you're gonna take a hand blender and blitz everything together until it's nice and smooth. Really want to create an emulsification process where we blitz all the fats together so it's nice and smooth. Then you're going to divide the mixture between two jugs. I'm using these beautiful glass decorations because they will look so pretty and you can actually see the layers. And we're going to place them in a fridge while we prepare other elements. Next, we're going to add the remaining of our coconut cream into a jug together with vanilla extract. I like a really nice strong vanilla, so I recommend you use the same. And then we're going to add some sugar. This is, of course, sugar replacement. And we're going to mix everything together on high speed until the cream is nice and fluffy. This will only take a couple of minutes or so just be patient. Your coconut cream will be done and look like this. Now what we're going to do, we're going to scoop a couple of tablespoons over our chocolate mixture. As you can see, it's already set. Just go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons inside, smooth it out, and place it back in the fridge. And it should look like this. Over here I've got my passion fruits. I love passion fruits, so I'm just going to scoop all the juice and pulp right inside, and it will look just like that. And we're going to place this into the fridge. Next, we're going to make our passion fruit coulis gel or jam. Over here I've mixed my pectin and sugar together, and I'm boiling my passion fruit puree. We're going to add our sugar and pectin mixture a little bit at a time and keep mixing on medium to low speed until it starts to thicken up and look like gel, just like this. As it cools down, it will also thicken up, so you can make this ahead of time. You see, now that it's set, it becomes this beautiful passion fruit jam, and you're just gonna pour it over your dessert just like so. Now with my remaining cream that we made earlier, I've just placed it into a piping bag, and I'm gonna top up my dessert with the next layer of chocolate. Look how gorgeous it looks. But we're not done. We're gonna add more passion fruit pulp. So just scoop a fresh passion fruit all over, and then desserts are going back in the fridge. And there you have it, our beautiful vegan, sugar-free, gluten-free, absolutely amazing desserts, passion fruit chocolate and creamy coconut. Just look how gorgeous it looks. Absolutely amazing. Now let's dig in and I'll show you how yummy it is. It's just so, look how creamy it is. The chocolate, the cream. Honestly, it's such an amazing dessert. I just love the passion fruit flavor, the passion fruit coulis, and all the flavors work together so well. Enjoy this. Can't wait for you to try it.